Hey everyone! I wanted to make a quick video to talk to you about our future goals and stuff. Also, our channel has grown quite a bit since my last Hey Everyone video, so I wanted to say, welcome to the Observatory. Thank you for watching and subscribing. So we've got a ton of ideas for videos, like perhaps the most ideas ever. If you've left a comment for a suggestion, we've written it down. Keep sending them, we'll keep writing them down. We've quickly accrued a list of hundreds of suggestions from all different genres, and we want to get to them all. Our video creation process has been refined over the last year, but it still takes us sometimes up to 2 weeks to complete a project. My brother films the projects, sometimes multiple times, writes a script, and then sends me the files. I then record the voiceover, usually multiple times, and then edit the video. It takes a few back and forths before we feel like they're ready, and then we share them with you. So if you're waiting on a specific project, it might take a little time. And I hope you enjoy the videos we put out along the way. So, looking to the future. One of our goals that we want to accomplish is to create a catalog of Creative Commons base body meshes. So when we do a tutorial, we can pull in a completed basic body and add the defining details of the character, with hopes to become a resource for anybody who wants to create and make creating models easier. And we want to make all of those meshes available to everyone for free. So we've launched a Patreon. You can donate if you like, but this will be where we host all of our downloadable files, and all of the files will be available to everyone for free. I want to thank you for watching, and for all of your amazingly supportive comments. Just really thank you. We love making these videos, and we love you all. Hopefully we can make some really cool resources for you to use however you want. Thanks for watching, stay safe, I love you all, goodbye!